Greetings. Mr. D greet you this morning. We greet you. Mr. D do everything. Yes, it's a beautiful day you can see. Yes. I'm certainly busy with gardening this morning. So like and subscribe this video. This morning I show you how you can plant your trees in a pot and what you are doing in the pot. Yes. First of all, you take your can, tap for your water. Yes. Take your water by the tree that you already planted in a pot. You clean up all those dirty stuff this morning. I'll show you. This way I'm busy. First of all, you give it nice water. Water is nice. Yes, water is nice. You see, water is nice. All the dirty stuff was inside the pot. You take it out. The stones was in the pot. And you take it out. Now you give it nice water. Yes, nice water. Yes. Those stones was in the pot. I take it all out. I was cleaning all the dirty stuff. I put it there in a plastic bag. And now I'm going to put the base around them. You understand? That is what's happening here. You put all those base around and pack it nicely. The reason for this base is that this base that you put on the ground, you understand, is to keep your watering system and your soil. That would keep it that it's not really dry quick out. Yes, then you can put your tree in a pot. This is a lemon tree. You understand? You can see those lemon tree. It look very beautiful. Then you put this base around your pot very nicely. You understand? Especially your watering very nice. Then you pick this base in the spot. You understand? And that is what's happening. You see, especially when you put this base around your pot, you can see for yourself. That you put this base around your pot very nicely. Especially when you have a tree in a pot, you can put this base. You can buy that by a hardware, by a wood place where they're cutting trees to make some barks, to make some wood, and that is a base would come from those trees. You understand? This is the base that you can buy there, or you can go in a field and you take all those base, those particular base that you pick up, and you put around nicely to your pot. You understand? Nicely to your pot. Put it nicely there in. Yes. It's very good. Now your flower is gonna grow very well. It's gonna grow very well. Very well after all. Yes. You can put a lot of base on around your pot of the section of your ground. Yes. Fill it up nice. Yes. Yep. See what happening now here is you put all the base around your pot and you clean, put it nice water. Give it nice water, give it nice water. You see after also that the base can be staying in the pot. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, look nice. Yes. And this is what happening. You see what is look very nice. You can see that. Very nice, very nice. Especially here under these trees. You can see all those base is around this flowers. Very nice in your garden. Yes, yes, you put it around your flowers. And these stones was in those pot. I take it all out. You see? Yes, 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 yes. Yes. That was the ground section that I was mixed up. The potting soil was mixed up. And I was putting in this in the pot before I put those barks, this base in the pot. You can see those base here. How nice is this base here in the garden section? That keep the ground calm, and that moisture, and it holds your water so that your ground not must go really dry fast. So like and subscribe this video. Peace.